This video is for academic content only. After addition of question into ERP by all faculties, you have to make sure that all questions will be added, and you have to activate that particular questions through online feedback in this way. Click on online feedback, then click on student feedback, click on add feedback. Here you have to mention the subject which you have to activate it. Select validity. If I select here 5 to 11, it will be valid. Select here indirect, then click on next. Here you have to select the category which you have created or staffs have created. Here I have created for AI course with survey. So here the list of questions will be available which is available into this particular category. So you have to click on add buttons of all questions. So these are the 6 questions that will be added here. Just scroll down and click on next. Now here you have to select the course. It is course exit survey, that's why it is feedback about course. Then select branch. Then here select proper subject. Here this subject is for TCO student. This is under the same 2 TCO group, that is artificial intelligence subject. Okay, so I have selected this subject. Then I will click on once only add, and this feedback will be added here. See, this is course subject survey added for my subject, that's why it is the name of subject teacher is mentioned here. After that you have to select, after adding all the subjects course exit survey, you have to select that particular feedback, click on action and click on open feedback access. So after given access to that feedback, this feedback will be available with the student login. So after opening access to all the feedbacks, that all feedbacks will be reflected into the student's login. So you can ask your students to fill that particular feedback. Thank you.